day,
What?
one day she went to my cabin.
Yeah, because I need to tell him something.
No, you
And
need
then
to pick up something.
He opened the toilet,
I
but
was
I
in the
didn't
shower.
see anything.
I was naked and I was here.
No, I didn't see anything. I'm sorry.
Shut up.
No, seriously, I didn't see anything.
Okay, do it again tomorrow.
No, you will.